Welcome to this part of the planet.
Sajjana Maje Namaskara.
And as I was asking the lady over here, sir, you've already worked with Sukumar sir इससे पहले. You've collaborated with him. कितना gang up किया उनके ऊपर? Like, did you bully her or not? Please say yes, sir.
No, she is the sweetheart of the set.
And did she throw any tantrums या कुछ ऐसा, sir?
नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता.
Not at all.
First of all, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you. I'd like to thank the entire media for being here and taking this event to the hearts of the people. Thank you very much. And it's an absolute delight to address to the national media for the first time in my life. It's a great moment for me. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I'm pretty positive that I will keep seeing you a lot more in the future. Thank you.
That's so nice of you, sir. That's so nice of you. A brilliant human being, a wonderful dancer, brilliant actor. So, what is that one thing that you see in a movie before signing, a movie? What is that one?
The
special-
intention. The intention on what you're doing the film for. Are you doing it for the money? Are you doing it for the release? Or are you doing it for the audience? The intention is above all.
You've always been a pan-India star. There is no doubt about that. By the way,
Really?
yes.
I've never done a Hindi film also.
But that's your aura. Without doing a Hindi film, you've already been a pan-India star. But now, in theatrically, this is the first time. In spite of your movies working so well on satellite, working so well online, theatrically, this is the first time your pan-India film coming. So henceforth, like you have Icon releasing, there is Icon, and there's probably a Koratala Siva movie also. Henceforth, is every Allu Arjun movie going to be a pan-India film? I mean, there is no doubt about it. There is no option.
Preferably, I'd like to make it everything pan-India because not just about pan-India. I'm saying why are you even restricting to that? Maybe somebody else wants to watch it. People in other countries, maybe Sri Lanka, neighboring countries, Pakistan, other countries want to watch it. We don't know. Language is no barrier for cinema. So I think we should just go for, I would say more than pan-India, I would say we should go for a multi-language release and see how far we can go as Indian cinema.
Thank you, sir.
टाइटल बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग है, ट्रेलर भी काफ़ी प्रॉमिसिंग है. ऑल द बेस्ट आप लोगों को मूवीज़ के लिए. और टाइटल पुष्पा नाम सुन के एक ही चीज़ जहन में आती है, वो आइकॉनिक डायलॉग राजेश खन्ना सर की, पुष्पा हेड टीयर्स, तुम्हारी आंखों में आंसू नहीं देख सकते. तो क्या आप लोग आप दोनों हिंदी मूवीज़ लवर किस तरह के रहे हैं? आप लोग हिंदी मूवी एज एन ऑडियंस आप देखते थे हिंदी मूवीज़ आप दोनों?
Yeah, yaar. I used to watch so many Hindi films. What do you say?
किस तरह की मूवीज़ आप देखना पसंद करते? राजेश खन्ना सर की मूवी देखें आप?
As in, we used to. I was an audience before entering into the industry. I'm going to the theater, watching the happening films, coming back, and also I was in the hostel. So for us, the movies not of our choice, but of our school choices were played. So we had no other options but to watch the films that they played. But yes, now that I'm in the industry, I think I'm watching a lot more films. Lot more technically and lot more personally, but yeah, could say balanced, managed watching enough films.
So from childhood, we always watch a lot of obviously because I'm multi-language, multicultural person from the south. I was born in Tamil Nadu, raised in Hyderabad, born and raised in Chennai, and then moved to Hyderabad. So I know Tamil, Telugu. We grew up watching Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada films. And as we entered into films, we also started watching Maratha films, Bengali films, Hindi cinema. Hindi cinema has definitely played a huge impact on us. Like time and again, just like how you always watch movies, even we grew up watching all these movies. So it's a part of our life. And of course, we watch all movies. Of course, Hindi cinema. And I personally adore Hindi cinema a lot.
एलो जी, अभी अभी आपने कहा कि आप जो बॉलीवुड है उसको साउथ में वेलकम करते हैं. तो ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर है और ऐसी कौन सी मूवी है बॉलीवुड की जिसका रीमेक बने और आप उसमें काम करना चाहते हैं?
माफ करना, मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा.
या,
मेरा हिंदी अच्छा नहीं है.
नहीं, आप
फिर भी मैं
इंग्लिश में
कोशिश
बताइए.
करूंगा. पता है कि मेरा हिंदी में एक्सेंट है, साउथ एक्सेंट है, फिर भी मैं कोशिश करके आपको हिंदी में ही बात करूंगा. मैडम जी, सब एक्टर्स आ सकते हैं. इतने टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स हैं हिंदी सिनेमा में, द होल ऑफ नेशनल सिनेमा में. सब लोग आ सकते हैं उस पिक्चर्स लेके, हाँ, साउथ में आके प्रमोट करके, डब करके. सब एक्टर्स दे ऑल डू फेनोमिनल. each genre में बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर्स करते हैं सब लोग. हम सबको स्वागत करते हैं.
नहीं, आप पर्सनली अगर आपको करना हो तो आप कौन से एक्टर की और कौन सी बॉलीवुड की फिल्म का रीमेक करना चाहेंगे?
Remake?
यू पर्सनली.
मैं अब तक रीमेक नहीं किया मैडम. मुझे डर लगता है कि मुझे डर लगता है थोड़ा रीमेक करने में. अब तक नहीं किया. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं नहीं करूँगा. अब तक नहीं किया और मुझे थोड़ा डर भी है करने के लिए. इसलिए मैं थोड़ा रीमेक्स के से थोड़ा दूर रहता हूँ.
अल्लू अर्जुन जी, मेरा नाम आरती सक्सेना है.
नमस्ते जी.
मैं भी हिंदी में ही पूछूंगी कि मतलब मैंने ऐसे पूछा कि अल्लू अर्जुन एक्टर साउथ के एक्टर है, तो मुझे किसी ने कहा कि वो साउथ के सलमान खान है. तो मुझे ये जानना था कि सलमान खान आपको कितने पसंद हैं और बॉलीवुड का कौन सा एक्टर है जो आपको इंस्पायर करता है सबसे ज़्यादा?
मैडम मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अमिताभ जी से इंस्पायर करता है क्योंकि लॉन्ग स्पैन ऑफ करियर है ना. From so many years, I'll say this in English to be a little more comfortable.
It's okay, yeah.
I absolutely adore the megastar of the country, Amitabh ji. Because we've grown up, watching his films and everything. He's got a lot of impact on us in the growing years. So, in one word, if I have to say, I'll say I'm a huge ardent fan of Amitabh ji. And even till date, at the age, such a big age, also, I keep thinking, even if I get really old, I should still be acting like how gracefully Amitabh ji is doing it. In a way, that's what I keep thinking. If you're 60, 70, 80, you should still you should work as beautifully as Amitabh ji does.
और आपने बोला कि ये फिल्म करने में आपको 4 फिल्मों के जितना मतलब मेहनत करनी पड़ी, तो सबसे टफ क्या था पुष्पा में?
She'll tell which part was tough for her, and then I'll tell.
No, sir, the fights and all you guys have done. I think for us, going to the location, वो location या वो climate changes और forest में shoot करना पड़ा. So I think all of that, got a lot from all the crew members and the cast. I think also the producers who made all this effort, they actually had to lay a road to go to the location. It was that hard, so it was crazy. And I think, like Sir said, we've done the hard work of 4 films in one, and I think we're going to see the results tomorrow, so I'm waiting.
Madam, in a way we are very fortunate because the top crew is always given a little extra privileges. I'd like to once again thank the entire crew in every department, the art department, the lighting department, the production department, the drivers unions, and they have actually given most efforts for this film. If I forgot, forgive me if I've forgotten any other department, but every department has given their best because on shoot there are around 500 to 600 people working for the film. So once again, I want to thank all the departments for putting their heart and soul and working more hard than us for this film. Thank you.
Rashmika, this side.
Hi.
Hello. You look so pretty and beautiful.
Thank
Yet you
you.
portrayed the character. It is a reglammed character.
Yes.
So, did you have any inhibitions?
Inhibitions? No. I think I had no inhibitions when it came to. I knew I was playing a different character. I knew that I had to pour my heart, soul, sweat, everything into this character because this is, like I keep saying, this is a whole different world that we're entering. And when actors like Sir's doing such hard work, and I'm getting this opportunity to work with Sir, I can't have inhibitions and be like, oh my god, do I look pretty, do I look that, do I look this? I have to worry about the performance. I'm like, am I doing a good job? Am I doing that? Is it coming through? Is this character staying strong? What is happening? So for me, it was all about performance in this film, and I think once the audience see it on the 17th, I think it'll come through, and please give us your reviews.
Allu Arjun.
And ma'am, to second that, I'd like to speak about how Rashmika performed and what is it. I truly appreciate Rashmika ji for performing like this and taking up such a challenging role. It is a little rustic role, and it's not a very conventional, glamorous role. It is quite challenging, and like you said, I was fearing if would she feel that she's not looking good, because that is a very huge factor that plays on the mind, and if your mind is not clear, the performance will not be clear. But then after she landed on the set and she started working, I think she had the mindset that this film is this and we have to justify this film, and she did a wonderful performance. And I couldn't have performed if not for her help, because every artist should compliment you for your performance. She performed so well that it was very, very comforting, and it was very complimenting to work with such a wonderful artist. Tomorrow, I'm sure you all will appreciate her performance. She can't speak for herself, but I can definitely speak for her because I've seen her perform in front of my eyes.
Alu,
I just want to ask you one question. Both of you have made your name as far as Telugu is concerned, and in the dubbed versions also in Hindi. Why don't you take up the step of acting in a original Hindi film and you composing for a Hindi film? And the second question is, Mr. Arvind, has he not come here? Earlier he used to come quite often to Bombay and I used to meet him.
Sir, Arvind Garu has been busy producing Bollywood films, and he's not, I think I should call him and tell him, start making film with your son also. He's also a reasonable actor. Good thing, sir. I'll tell Arvind Garu. Arvind Garu, there's your son who's also an actor in your house. Please do make films with him. Please take him to Bollywood. Not just you simply make, be the first 100 crores film in Bollywood, and now you're making so many multiple films in Bollywood. Please, there's also one guy in your house. If you want to promote him, he's available.
And at the same time, Arvind uncle, what uncle? I'm also like your son only. You know me since my childhood. You are making films all Bollywood heroes only in Bollywood. You're a hero and you're music director.
I'm also there.
You're already doing no.
अरे no Hindi.
पेड़ तो मैं भी बन ही सकता हूँ.
Both Arjun and
But at this point,
Devi, tell Arvind that his friend Jyoti Venkatesh asked about him.
uncle, your friend Jyoti Venkatesh Garu is very angry because you're not putting us in Bollywood films.
He misses you a lot, uncle.
But on this note, I would also, with love, say that I'm doing music for a couple of films, including Rohit Shetty sir's Circus with Ranveer and all that. So I wish you give me the same kind of love. So wish me luck so that I do more of Bollywood.
I wish I could also give a news like this, but I don't have anything like that.
No, that's totally his decision. So he can give it anytime he wants.
you had mentioned earlier that a Hindi film in your filmography is very important for you. Has there been offers that you have considered, or probably now, like you said, the lines are blurring? Do you want to do a pure Bollywood film?
Absolutely. I love Hindi cinema. Somehow I use the word, but I don't like to use that word Bollywood as much as possible, because it sounds like second to Hollywood, and hum kisi se kam nahi. Hum kisi se kam nahi. So I like to say it Hindi cinema. so even by habit, sometimes even I say Bollywood, but I keep going. I was like, no, say Hindi cinema. Hum kisi se kam nahi. Coming back to your question, I love Hindi cinema. I love Hindi music. I appreciate them so much. Definitely it'd be a great moment in my life to do a straight Hindi film, and it'll be a landmark point of my career, and I want to make the best choice possible. And to just answer what you said, there have been people who ask for films here and there, but nothing very exciting. So I think slowly, we've been having soft talks, like if we can do something, how is it to mount up something big? Because even the people who are coming, they are also saying that when we have to come to you, we have to come with something solid. So I think once everything falls into place, I think I will try to plan with maybe a little help of Allu Arvind Garu if he helps. Just a joking. I think we'll try to come up with something big and make it memorable. Thank you. Distributing this movie, and if I forget anybody else, please forgive me. And above all, thank you so much, my dear Rashmika. It was a pleasure working with you. Everybody calls her national crush. I've heard of people who are calling her national crush. So I simply cutely tease her on stage. I was like, oh, please come, Rashmika. National crush. Plus Rashmika. Thank you so much. And I hope you all like, and I'm hoping that we touch your hearts with Pushpa. We're coming tomorrow, December 17th. Pushparaj. Oh, what together. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
much.
being so amazing.